The return of a legend, 2025 Tata Sierra. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Biz Finance, your home for the hottest car launches and reviews. Today we're looking at a legend reborn, the 2025 Tata Sierra. It's back after decades, and Tata has completely transformed it for the electric age. Let's jump right into what makes the new Sierra one of the most exciting SUVs of 2025. Design legacy. The original Sierra from the 90s was bold and way ahead of its time. Tata kept that legacy alive, especially that iconic wraparound-glass design, but gave it a modern, futuristic edge. Up front, you get sleek LED DRLs, a clean fascia, and a strong SUV stance. The new Sierra perfectly blends nostalgia with next-gen styling. Interior tech. Inside, the Sierra feels premium and futuristic. There's a triple-screen dashboard, soft touch materials, and ambient lighting everywhere. Tata has added AI-based infotainment, voice commands, and Level 2 ADAS for safety. It's a massive leap from the old Sierra. This feels like a luxury SUV inside and out. Performance powertrain. The Sierra will come in both petrol and electric versions. The EV version is expected to deliver up to 500 kilometers of range with Tata's new Ziptron Tech, while the petrol version may use a 1.5-liter turbo engine, ideal for both city and long drives. It's powerful, smooth, and designed for a global audience. Price, launch verdict. Tata plans to launch the Sierra officially in late November 2025, with prices starting around $26,000 and up to $36,000. What makes it special? Checkmark retro design meets future tech, checkmark loaded with comfort and safety. Checkmark a perfect balance of power and sustainability. This is Tata's boldest SUV yet, and it's ready to compete globally. So, what do you think? Would you pick the electric Sierra or stick with the petrol version? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love seeing legends reborn.